I've made close to $600 this year just for keeping my money in a high yield savings account. I literally didn't do anything but keep my money inside the account. Why are you still keeping your money in a regular savings account? In this video, I'll be going over the best high yield savings bank accounts that you can open right now with the highest interest rates. Make sure you watch till the end of the video as some of these accounts have more than 5% APY. High yield savings accounts are the best places to keep your money if you want to earn the highest monthly interest possible. I compiled a list of the highest quality high yield savings accounts with the best interest rates. So I'll be going over the best high yield savings bank accounts you can open right now, the pros and cons of each, and go over step by step on where and how to open these accounts. Now you may be asking, why should I open a high yield savings account? Let me ask you this question. Why do you still have your money inside a savings account with a bank such as Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo? Why are you putting up with all of these banks just taking all of your money and only paying you pennies? High yield savings accounts are absolutely necessary because you get the highest interest on your money. The higher your APY or annual percentage yield, the faster your money grows, which means that you would make more money in the long term. This is so much better than keeping your money just in a regular savings account. First up, we have the Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings Account. Looking straight at their website, you can see you can boost your savings with the Marcus Online Savings Account with a current APY of 4.4%. You can see some pros here. You can earn a rate that's 8 times the national average. It's backed by the financial expertise of Goldman Sachs. No fees, no minimum deposit. Same day transfers of $100,000 or less from other banks. Contact center available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You scroll down here. You can see how much Marcus pays compared to the national average, Ally Bank, American Express, Chase, and Citibank. Scroll down more. You can see how it works. Just open an account in minutes, link accounts and add money, transferring money when you need it, and some resources that are helpful. The only cons that I can think of this account is there's no checking accounts, no ATM networks, and no physical branches. Now, who is this account best for? It's good for anyone who wants to open a completely online banking experience from one of the most popular high-yield savings accounts available. If you want to open an account, go to Marcus by Goldman Sachs' website, click on Open an Account here. Wait for it to load. Click on Online Savings Account. Put in your personal information, just go through all the steps, and that's it. So how much can you make putting your money in a high yield savings account with Marcus? So let's go over to a calculator here. So let's say you put in $10,000 as your initial deposit with $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with a 4.4% APY. In 1 year, you would make $440 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Pretty good. Next up on this list is the Ally High Yield Savings Account. Looking at Ally's website here, you can see that you can step up your savings game with a 4.2% APY currently. You can scroll down here. Finally, a savings account that lets your money work smarter. You can use savings buckets to organize your money and visualize what you're saving for. Set up boosters to optimize and maximize your savings. Make changes as new priorities arise, and get personalized recommendations to help you save even more. You can organize using buckets, optimize with boosters. Here's some big pros. So no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements. Your money is FDIC insured, earns more than 5 times the national average, and just 24/7 customer support. Direct deposit is a breeze. And you can see that Ally gives you so much more compared to Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo. Clearly, these banks do not care about you. So who is Ally's high yield savings account best for? It's good for anyone who wants to bank with just an online institution and wants a pretty good APY. To open an account with Ally, go to Ally's website and click on Open New Account and click the option that fits you best. So I don't have an Ally login. Click Continue. Then just put in all your information and just sign up. It's pretty simple. So how much can you make with an Ally High Yield Savings Account? So let's say you put in $10,000 and you contribute $0 after that over a period of just 1 year with a 4.2% APY. You'd make $420 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Pretty good. Next up, we have the Discover High Yield Savings Account. You can see Discover's website here. The online savings account, you can earn interest over 5 times the national savings average. They're a member of the FDIC, so you're FDIC insured with a 4.25% APY. If you scroll down more, you can see the maximum savings with minimum hassle. So annual percentage yield is 4.25%. Interest is compounded daily and paid monthly. There's a $0 monthly fee, $0 insufficient fund fee, and $0 minimum opening deposit. And you can compare this with all the other banks right here. If you scroll down more, you can see no fees, period. This means that you won't be charged an account fee for the online savings account. Scroll down more. You'll never pay fees for the following. So monthly maintenance, official bank checks, excessive withdrawals, expedite delivery for official bank checks, deposited item returned, insufficient funds, and more. There's a little calculator to see how much you can make. There's some frequently asked questions and so much more. Now, who is this account best for? Discover's account is really good for anyone who's already in the Discover ecosystem and wants to stay there or wants to join this ecosystem as well. To open an account, all you have to do is go to Discover's website, click on open an account, and then click on if you're new to Discover or already a customer. So I'm going to click new to Discover. Just going to put in all your information. Click continue and just go through all the steps. Pretty simple. So how much can you make with Discover's high yield savings account? If you put in $10,000 with $0 contributed monthly over a period of just 1 year with a 4.25% APY, you'd make $425 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Pretty good. Next up, we have the Capital One high yield savings account. You can see here that the 360 performance savings, grow your personal savings with a high yield savings rate of 4.25% APY. You can see it's a high yield rate of 4.25%. No fees, no worries, no monthly or maintenance fees, and $0 minimums. You scroll down here. There's some benefits here, so easy account transfers, automatic savings plan, multiple accounts, and mobile check deposit. You can open in 5 minutes, a top-rated mobile app, and it's also FDIC insured. Scroll down more, and yep, that's about it. You can find a Capital One bank branch near you. Now, who's this account best for? This account is best for anyone who's already in the Capital One ecosystem or wants to join, or you want a good APY of 4.25%. Now, to open an account, all you have to do is go to Capital One's website here, click open an account, click yes or no on if you already have a login. So I'm going to click no. Then you'll get to this page. You can just click continue, put in all your information, and sign up. It's as simple as that. So how much can you make with a Capital One high yield savings account? Let's say you put in $10,000 with $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with a 4.25%. You would make $425 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Let's go. Next up, we have the American Express High Yield Savings Account. This account is personally one of my favorite accounts simply because you can earn more interest on your average savings with this high yield savings account. Looking at the website here, when you open an American Express High Yield Savings Account, you're helping to grow your own money at a rate higher than the national rate. If you scroll down here, you can see that this account currently has a 4.25% APY, and some pros include no minimum balance or no monthly fees, 24/7 world-class customer service, easy access to your money around the clock, is FDIC insured, and is strengthened by the service and reliability of American Express. Scroll down more. There's simple transfers and auto deposits, compounds daily, deposits monthly, and there's monthly statements that come your way. You can see a calculator to see how much you can earn, and just how you can open an account. Now, who's this account best for? It's good for anyone who already has American Express products such as credit cards, or you want to join the ecosystem. To open an account, all you have to do is go to American Express's website here, click on open an account. You're going to click on create a new account and get started with putting in your name, all your information, and just going through all the steps. Really simple. So how much can you make with American Express High Yield Savings Account? Let's say you put in $10,000 with $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with a 4.25% APY. You would also make $425 for free just for keeping your money inside the account. That's pretty awesome. Next up, we have the Betterment High Yield Cash Account. If you look at Betterment's website here, you can see save and earn more with 5% APY. Grow your savings with a high yield cash account. Betterment's cash reserve secures your money during volatile times while earning 11 times the national average. Scroll down here. You can see the Betterment Cash Reserve is 5% APY, and the national average is 0.47%. You scroll down here, you can see some benefits, so $0 fees, forget any monthly or maintenance costs, what you earn is what you keep, up to $2 million insured, rest easy with FDIC insurance, up to $2 million, and that's 8 times the standard. There's unlimited withdrawals, so compare this to other banks that limit how often you can access your money, and there's no minimum balance required. So other institutions offer higher interest rates based on a larger balance. You can grow your money with us for as little as $10. Scroll down more. Optimize your cash today, start saving for tomorrow. And yes, here's some program banks. The best part about Betterment is that you can actually earn a 5.5% APY for the first 3 months with a qualifying deposit. Now, who's this account best for? It's good for anyone who wants to keep their money in a high yield cash account with a very, very famous institution. To open an account, all you have to do is go to Betterment's website here, click on get started, click on high yield cash, and then just put in all your information and sign up. Super easy. Now, how much can you make with the 5.5% APY? Let's check it out. So $10,000 put in with a $0 monthly contribution over just 1 year with a 5.5% APY. You would make $550 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Is that not great or what? Next, we have the Wealthfront High Yield Cash Account. So looking at their website here, you can see that they have a rate that towers over most banks with a 5% APY. Cash earns more here. Move your money to a high yield account with one of the best APYs in the market. And checking features that offer fast, easy access to your money any day of the week. No account fees, no strings attached. You can see here that you'll earn 10 times the national average with a 5% APY. It was ranked by NerdWallet, that's one of the best cash management apps in 2020. Same for Bankrate. There's 800,000 trusted clients, 60 billion plus in total assets. If you scroll down here, you can see some benefits. So 0 account fees, unlimited transfers and free same-day withdrawals, up to $8 million in FDIC insurance through partner banks, and no minimum or maximum balance to earn the 5% APY. Scroll down more, you can see some other benefits. So unlimited transfers, use with your favorite payment apps, free same-day withdrawals, you can send wire transfers for free, pay bills, transfer to invest in minutes. Scroll down more. And they have some other features as well. So who's this account best for? It's good for anyone who wants a super high APY of 5% with a trusted financial institution. To open an account, all you have to do is click Start Saving with $1 here on their website. So click that, and click on Just Me. And just put in all your information and just go through all the steps. It's super simple. Now, how much can you make with a 5% APY? Super simple. So $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over just 1 year with a 5% APY. You'd make $500 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Let's go. So keeping your money in a high yield savings account will earn you so much more passive income. What more can you ask for? Just remember that you will need to pay taxes on any interest earnings, so just keep that in mind. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.